Morning. My dear brothers and sisters, in many cultures, the words of a dying person are given much importance. We listen. We listen to the words because the dying person will most likely say important things. Baka mamaya banggitin sa inyo, o anak, dito mo matatagpuan yung itinago kong pera, ha? Okay, so, and during those moments, a dying person most likely will not tell lies or he will not be deceiving. I think that is the moment when he will be most honest. My dear sisters and brothers, in the first reading, we come to the end of King David's life. And while he was dying, he was talking to Solomon, his son, and his successor. David, according to the first reading, was king for so long. He was king over Israel for 40 years. He reigned 7 years in Hebron and 33 years in Jerusalem. 40 years he was a king. And now he is living. And interestingly, my dear brothers and sisters, the final words of David were not about economics, were not about plan of military conquest. What he was saying to Solomon is, obey God. Take courage and be a man. Keep the mandate of the Lord your God, following His ways. Those are the final words of David to his son. Sundin mo ang Diyos. Maging masunurin ka sa Diyos. Kasi alam ni David, batay sa kanyang karanasan, ang kahalagahan ng pagiging masunurin sa Diyos. Obey God and you will flourish. Disobey God and you will perish. That's how important obedience is to the Lord. It's a deal breaker in a way. And I think these words of David, the dying David, are also applicable to us. Gusto mong maging masaya? Gusto mong pagpalain ng Panginoon? Maging masunurin ka sa Kanya. Sapagkat ang taong masunurin sa Diyos ay Kanyang pagpapalain. And in the first reading, my dear brothers and sisters, we are also being reminded of our own final time. It was described here, David was dying and he told Solomon, I am going the way of all flesh. I am going the way of all flesh. Death is universal. Mayaman, mahirap, babae, lalaki, or in between, may pinag-aralan o wala, darating tayo sa ating katapusan. Just what David said, I am going the way of all flesh. Kaya sa mga magulang na naririto, anong inihahanda ninyong pamana sa inyong mga anak? Anong inihahanda ninyong pamana sa inyong mga anak? Ano ang inyong magiging mga huling habilin? Ano? Anak, meron akong ilang kayamanan na nakalagay sa bangko. Ingatan mo yon. Ganun ba? Anak, dito ang ating mga ari-arian. Diyan mo makikita ang title ng ating lupa sa Batangas. O ganon. Okay. What will be our legacy to the next generation? Because all of us are dying. una-una nga lang, all of us are dying. And as parents, what do you intend to leave as a lesson to your children? David left a legacy not of material riches, but of the experience of obedience to God. Remember, obey God and you will flourish. Disobey God and you will perish. Amen.